A 2017 Cadillac XT5. I'll show you how to reset the oil life reminder. Like if you had your oil changed or something. What you're going to do is you're going to use the buttons on your steering wheel to do that, and your cluster over there. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to press over and go into the menu that's right there on the left. Now you're going to go up or you can go down, but you're looking for the oil life. I found it pretty quick. Oil life is right there. This one's at 97%, but we just changed the oil, so I'm going to reset that. It's pretty simple to do. All you got to do is press and hold down the select button. You'll get a little chime and it'll reset to 100%. That's pretty much it. If this video was useful, do me a favor and drop me a comment or hit that thumbs up button.